Candy, candy. At Pony's home.
On May 7, 1898. During the northern spring, she is abandoned in the snow. As a baby, with a doll named Candy, hence the name given to her. Candace White, known to everyone as Candy. That same night, another baby, Annie, is found. They both grow up near Lake Michigan, in LaPorte, Indiana, in a home for orphan children, run by Miss Pony and Sister Maria. In the anime, it takes place on a winter night, with Annie first found at the foot of the door, while Candy is almost miraculously found lying on the side of the road in the snow, minutes from being covered by it. Because she was found on a snowy night, Sister Maria decides to give Candy's middle name White. After spending their entire childhood in the orphanage and growing up together as sisters, Annie and Candy become inseparable, to the point of promising never to leave Pony's home or be apart from each other. After her 10th birthday, and thanks to her charisma, a very wealthy family, the Britters, want to adopt Candy. Although she likes the idea of having a family, she refuses, so as not to leave Pony's home and break her promise to Annie. The Britter family, seeing that Candy doesn't want to be adopted, makes the same offer to Annie, who accepts without hesitation. Thus, Candy's innocence is disappointed by her friend's firm desire to have parents. In the manga, the situation is reversed, as it is Annie whom the Britters initially want to adopt due to her resemblance to their deceased daughter. Annie is the one who opposes it, but Candy insists that she accept. Time has passed, and Candy waits every day for the letters her best friend promised to write her. but to no avail, as the postman never brings anything for her. Finally, one day, Annie tells Candy that she simply won't write, as her adoptive mother advises her not to let her new friends know that she comes from an orphanage. Heartbroken, Candy runs to Pony Hill, and there she meets for the first time her Prince of Pony Hill, her first love, a young man of about 17 years old, dressed in a Scottish costume and playing the bagpipes, who utters the most famous phrase of the series, "Why are you crying? You're much prettier when you laugh than when you cry." The prince leaves without saying his name, but loses a pin engraved with a family coat of arms, which Candy keeps as an amulet. From that day on, Candy tries to be adopted.
To be continued.